Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn how to generate invoice in Appsheet. So this is an example on how I generate this invoice. So what we are going to do here is we are going to prepare our data. So we are going to use Google Sheets for this one. So for the necessary columns, we have the invoice ID, customer's name, date, product service, and more. Okay, now if you want a detailed invoice, you might need two tables as well, one for the invoice header or one for invoice lines items. So step number 2 is you have to create your app in Appsheet. Okay, so you can go to Appsheet, you can click make a new app, and just have to connect your spreadsheet. Okay, so here make sure that you have logged into your Appsheet account. And then after that, just click on this create option at the top left of your screen. And here we have the app and the database. So just click on the app and we have the start with existing data, start with a template, or blank app. So we are going to choose the start with existing data. That is right. And then for the name of the app, you just have to name this one. So for this video, I'm just going to name this one as invoice generator. And then for the category, I'm just going to select a random category. Okay, so make sure your tables are added under data tables. Okay, so I just have to set relationships between tables. So here we are going to select this Google Sheets. And then just have to select the one that you have created. So we have this one, the invoice, and click on insert after that. Now for step number 3 is we are going to set up a workflow or bot to generate the PDF. So here, as you can see, this is our app. So just go to the automations and then click on the bot. That is right. So we are going to create a new bot for this one. And for the event, we are going to type out when a new invoice is added or updated. Okay, so here you just have to configure the event, so just type it out once again. Okay, and then after that, for the process, we just have to add a step called run a task. Okay, so just click on this add a step option. So you just have to copy this one, so just click on it and then type out run a task. Now, just have to add a task to generate a document or PDF. So you have to choose create a new file. So click on this step right here and be able to see here create a new file. So you just have to click on it. Then after that, you just have to select the content type and then just have to pick the invoice template you will create. Okay, so this is the section where you can add your own template. So just click on this icon right here. So you can go to your Google Drive files or add a new source. Here, since we don't have a template, I'm just going to create a new one right here. Okay, and then after that, do not forget to save your changes. Okay, so the last step that we are going to do is to test our app. We have to add a new invoice with line items. Appsheet should automatically generate a PDF invoice, and you can also set it to email the invoice and then save it to Google Drive and etc. So as you can see right here, this is showing 3 rows. So this is the bot that we have created. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.